I'm John, tech support team member with Headsight. Today I'll be teaching you how to utilize your diagnostics tab on your Horizon controller. To get started, hit the Diag button on the right side of your screen. This will take you to an Overviews page. On the Overviews page, you'll see a bar graph representing each of your sensors. At the top of each bar graph is your current voltage, and in between the black lines represent your set high and set low points. If there's a third line, it will represent your foresight. From here, touch one of the bar graphs. This will take you into a detailed diagnostic screen where you can see your current voltage, and on the bottom left, your max and min voltage for this calibration cycle, and on the right, your cal high, mid, and low. On the bottom right, you'll see your foresight gain. By hitting the back button, this will take you back to your overview page. If you hit signals, this will take you into a detailed signals page. You'll see a certain signal as well as what value it currently has and what pin correlates with it. If an error comes up, it will display what the error is, if it's active, the number of count, as well as the current voltage and min and max voltage. From here, you can decide to either dismiss it or ignore it. Back on your overviews page, you can hit your errors tab to go into a detailed errors page where you can see all of your errors, what they are, the code, active, and count. Back on the overviews page, if you have pinpoint on, you'll see 3 dots below each sensor. These dots represent your power, ground, and signal. If they're yellow, there's an intermittent issue, green is good, red means there's a current issue. Thank you for watching. Any questions, please feel free to reach out to the support team at Headsight.